there are some blue and green beads in a container. If 150 more blue beads were added into the container, the percentage of green beans will decrease from 45% to 20%. How many blue beads are there in the container at first? Okay, let's draw a model to explain the question. Now, before the beads were added, the blue beads were added. This was how it looked like. We have the blue and green beans. Okay, let's draw the green beads. Green. It was 45%. Here. And the blue beads obviously will be 100% minus 45%, that would be 55%. And now after when the blue beads were added. Okay, let's draw the situation before it was added. Still the same. Green here, blue here, and then we added more blues. How many more? 150 more. Okay, the 150 more. Now, after the total has been increased, the percentage of the green beans decreases from 45% to 20%. So this is 20%. Now the blue beads obviously will be 100% minus 20%. It would be 80%. We can make use of this 150 to help us solve the sum. How do we do that? The blue beads increase from 55% to 80%. So the percentage increase is 80% minus 55%. That gives us 25%. 25% is actually the 150 beads that were added. So 25% is 150 beads. Let's find 1%. 1% would be 150 divided by 25. That will give us 6. So 1% is 6 beads. So we need to find how many beads were there at first. That means this, or this is the same. So how many were there at first? This is 25%. This is 55%. Okay. So 55% will be 6 times 55, which will give us 330 bits. how many bits were there at first? How many blue bits were there at first? There were 330 blue bits at first.